Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix Analytics. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, scroll down on the left-hand menu and find Analytics. Click on it, then select Overviews to find the Behavior Overview page. This is where you'll get a snapshot of how visitors engage with your site. In the Behavior Overview, you'll see top-level stats like average session duration, average pages per session, and your bounce rate. The bounce rate shows the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing only one page, helping you identify pages that may need optimization. You can also track top pages to see which pages drive the most traffic, and top clicks to understand which buttons or links visitors interact with most. This helps you prioritize where to place important content or calls to action. To enable click tracking, you'll find an option to enable it right within the Behavior Overview. Once enabled, click data will appear within a few hours, helping you see exactly which elements on your site are getting attention. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Wix Analytics for visitor insights. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.